Hey friends, we have My Preschool by Anne Rockwell. There are lots of places I go that are far away from home, but my favorite is preschool. This is my preschool. My cubby is right inside the door. It's where I put my backpack and vest. Miss Andrews and Miss Dominic are always there to say good morning. I don't know why Melissa cries every time she says goodbye to her mother. I don't. I love to come to preschool. I think Melissa does too. I think she isn't really sad because she always stops crying as soon as we go to the water table to play. Splish splash, splish splash. This is the song Melissa sings as she makes the whale dip and dive. I try to hold the water in my hands and watch it make a waterfall as it flows out. When everyone arrives, it's circle time. We say good morning to our teachers and friends. Some of us have special stories to tell. We raise our hand if we do. I tell about how a raccoon tipped over our garbage can last night. "What a mess," Daddy said. At playtime, Steve and I make the trucks go vroom, vroom across the sand table. Then Mr. Bill arrives. Mr. Bill is our music teacher. He tunes his guitar and we sing Old MacDonald, or sometimes we sing another song. Yoga time is when we stretch and pretend we're something else. My favorite pose is the cat. Emma likes to be the cobra. Marcus likes to be a tree. When it's time for our snack, I sometimes get to pass out the paper cups. But today it's Barry's turn. When we were building with blocks, Will got mad and knocked all my blocks down. I don't know why. Miss Andrews had a private talk with him, and he said he was sorry. We played together outside, and Will wasn't mad at me anymore. This is the smock I put on when it's time for art. I stick my brush in the bright and gooey paint and spread it across the paper on the easel. Look at the painting I'm making. Mommy will love this one. She loves all the paintings I make. We sit in a circle on the rug again when it's story time. We listen and look and keep quiet until the story is over. This story is good. I wish Miss Dominic would read it all over again. "Another day," she says when I ask her. There are so many things to do at my preschool. I never want to go home, but there is Mommy. Guess what? When Miss Dominic and Miss Andrews say goodbye at the door, Melissa starts crying because she doesn't want to go home. But I do, because I know I will come to preschool again tomorrow. The end.